question I also wanted to say, because I think it's very important. Let me know what you think about it. How important is it to have but how important is it to have another stream of income as an actor, to not be solely dependent on acting, be it a business or whatever? How important is it to have another stream of income outside of acting? It doesn't have to be 9 to 5 or anything.
Very important.
Yeah.
Very important, my friend.
Yeah.
Okay. So mandiqale kanje, bruh, you need something to breathe just above the water.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So that even when something comes, but you're not desperate. You're not negotiating from a place of desperation. But yeah. Because this I know it from me, and zuthetha ngomnye umuntu Aramis.
Sure.
There's jobs I've taken, even behind the scenes, and they were bad pay, bro. Like paying terrible fee, and I've done so much work, and I'm like, yo,
sure.
Sure. So with that being said, that's why it's so important by income. So you there's many things abantu abangazenza depending on skills sakho naso. Now what I used to do, for example, is like offer the same skill that I have, which is facilitator through my academic side of the art. Yeah. So being facilitator, I used to have a photography studio at Durban. So like bendizama man to build this thing, where I can earn money outside. Just to act. There's many things I feel like it's corner, man. There's even not even outside of the industry, you can just do behind the scenes. Meanwhile, there's something that can pop up. You can be an AD, you can do content. I do content sometimes. I've been an intern kwenye film for continuity. So man,
Dope. Okay, so let's come back to the acting side of it. How do you, or Tebel, how do you prepare for an audition? Let's say by the sector and that's audition, because we've seen your back roles. When it comes to auditions, man, there's something about you. There's a way you prepare. You can, bag it. How do you prepare for an audition?